Yeah, so I think the investment in the war on cancer, this 30 to 40 years of basic science, has told us a tremendous amount about breast cancer, the underpinnings and how it develops and how we can better treat it. If you combine that with new techniques, such as miniaturization of devices, the computers, those two combined together really have told us a tremendous amount about breast cancer. We're kind of, I think, at the pinnacle of starting to treat it and improving upon treatments. The problem with that is we've hit this roadblock in terms of funding, in terms of the NIH funding going down. And so this is causing quite a stress on the system at the time when we probably have the most drugs available and the most knowledge of how to use those drugs. We now have limited funds to test those hypotheses. The amazing changes in outcomes for breast cancer have come through research. They've come through basic science in the lab, and they've come through clinical trials research. And without that, we'd be treating women probably the same as we did 30 years ago. And if you look at the differences in imaging, in treatment, in diagnosis, those have all come through research programs. And so Komen has been instrumental in funding those advances, and they really have to occur. If we're going to keep reducing the mortality from breast cancer, we need to keep funding research.